It's your boy Lurd back with another night crawl. We got the homies this time. Ooh, the trio night crawl, looking for some riffraff. Let's fucking go.
I don't know what's going on here. A couple of cops just pulled up to the travel lodge.
Walk by the cops.
Yeah, Lurd with the J.
Yeah, you know. Spell it. Alright, we have a question for all viewers. Hear ye. What would happen if you microdose 211 Steel Reserve? Would you build up an immunity to it? Leave your answer in the comments.
15 miles an hour going down?
Ooh. I don't know if that one's good.
Well, I know how fast they go up. Might not know how fast they go down.
Just to kind of go along full of random facts.
Yeah, just my obviously like random, super unuseful. Hey!
The spider, bro.
Ooh. Spider gang! Ah!
Look at this, he's flaring at us, bro.
Flaring! Ah!
He's angry.
Cuck. Ooh. Ooh, the eyes. Look at the little black kitty just perched, scoping us out, dude. Fuck your GTI, but shout out to Scotland. Shout out to Scotland. Bro, I just got diagnosed with IMS.
Has to put it up in the buzzer. Banks it in! Oh, he banks in the three! And the Lakers win the game!
This video is sponsored by Dots Pretzels. Your lights are off! Who's this chick? Who's this chick just in the street? Spinning and twirling. I'm gonna get a closer angle. This video is sponsored by Money Tree. And why is there a bag up there? Alright, update. The bag is down.
My body armor is gone.
The bag is now down. Dallas is out of body armor. We've now entered Clark Park, one of the key hotspots for sleeper agents within the city of Everett, Washington. This is a dicey situation. We're going covert. We found an abandoned homeless encampment. Dude, we need a doorknob. Come up, dude. Some bike tires, bro. Dude, and we have a sleeper. We have a sleeper. We have a sleeper. Update. We woke the sleepyhead. Repeat. The sleepyhead has awoken from his slumber. Legendary spot. Y'all need to get off my lawn. This video is sponsored by First Church of Nazarene. Tree.
It's like he's flexing.
Yeah, no sleepyhead, but we do have an estranged bike. It also smells like piss. Lampshade bush! We got speed walking riffraff. Speed walking riffraff going into the alley. Speed walking on a mission. Good luck, girl. We have a sleeper cell. The same sleeper cell that was encountered the other night. We have a sleeper cell. Look at the sleeper cell. That is a 3-person cell. I repeat, a 3-person set. I found an ancient relic. Look at this. A piece of times past. We have a malfunctioning Sprank. This video is sponsored by All City Bail Bonds. Fuck Cascade Bail Bonds. Shout out to Milltown Credit Union.
Just walking along Free Chesters. They're pretty smelly.
Pretty smelly for you.
Kind of musky.
Bro, I just got diagnosed with CMS. Holy fuck. It's yet another bunny. Let's try and pet the bunny. What's up, little bunny? What's up, dude? Oh, he's just hopping, just hippity hopping away, dude. He ain't having it. Cute little bunny, with a little cottontail hair.